How to sell online any product, any service, the most effective method to selling online in 2020. All in this video, let's jump straight into it. What up guys, Ben Obrick here with another video. Gonna jump straight into it and show you this awesome hack that you can use to start selling any product, any service online. And you're gonna be so blown away by this. So let's just jump straight into Facebook here. Everybody has Facebook. Now you can do this on desktop, you can do this on your mobile news feed as well, okay? So I'm just gonna go into the search bar. Take whatever product or service it is that you want to sell or are selling or you're an affiliate of or whatever, and start typing in search terms. So let's just say that I typed in leggings, okay? I'm gonna search it, all right? That's all I need to do. Go back. Let's just say that we did yoga pants, okay? Yoga pants, all right? Search it, okay? Let's say that we knew a manufacturer of yoga pants. Maybe it's Lululemon. I think they make yoga pants or something like that. I'm not too sure, okay? Great, boom, done. What ends up happening now, and you might not see it right away on here, but I'll try. I'm gonna go like that, I'm gonna go back in and refresh, and maybe we'll be blown away by this. What happens now is Facebook has now pixeled me as a target audience. They think I'm interested in Lululemon. They think I'm interested in leggings. They think I'm interested in yoga pants. But what's happening is if I'm a drop shipper, or I have a yoga pants company or something like that, or a leggings company, I'm now gonna start getting the ads that competitors or other people are running, and all I end up looking for. So let me scroll down here and I'm going to just keep going. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. You'll see that I start getting ads. Like this is an ad that has nothing to do with it. It's about creating a site. But I keep scrolling down and you'll see that you'll start getting ads run to you, okay? So within about 2 hours of doing this, or the very next day, you'll start seeing ads on your Facebook feed. As soon as you see an ad on your Facebook feed that has to do with leggings or yoga pants or something like that, here's what I want you to do. Let me just go to the next ad. So here's an ad that Kevin David is running to me. What I like to do, because you'll notice this will happen while you're like out and about at work or something like that, I'll send in Messenger to myself, okay? I'll send it to myself. So later in the day, I come back and I look at it, all right? It's now going to allow me to have ads that other advertisers in my niche are running to me. I'm gonna be able to look at what is the creative of the ad, okay? What's the video of the ad? What is the text? What's the captioning of the ad and otherwise? What is they saying in here? What's the call to action? Is it a shop now? Is it a learn more? Okay, what's the title? Ads don't work unless you know this, okay? It's funny because I literally just got done making a video about Facebook advertising, and I was on Facebook talking about Facebook advertising. I finished this less than 10 minutes ago, okay? And this ad is about ads. It's funny, all right? So now I'm able to just search through Facebook. Once again, I just type in keywords directly, the keyword for the product it is that I'm trying to sell, or related keywords. So if my product is yoga pants, yoga pants, yoga classes, leggings, gym, workout equipment, workout clothing, gym clothing, fitness clothing, nutrition, whatever, I'm now gonna start getting those type of ads running to me that have something to do with leggings, yoga pants, something like that, all right? And I just start saving those ads. Now here's a big tip. If you end up seeing ads that are run to you that have thousands of likes, thousands of comments, or thousands of shares, please pay very close attention to those, because what that means is that those ads have been running for either a really long time, or they've been running for a really short time with a really high amount of ad spend on the daily. And in either one of those cases, what it means is that advertiser is only running that ad for that duration of time, or is only spending that high of an amount of money in that short of time because the ad is profitable. Which also means that the product that that ad goes to is profitable. This is simply a way to hack your competitors, build off the backs of the giants, and know what is already working out there in the marketplace. So then you can take your product, have a reference example, and mirror it. Or maybe you're a drop shipper and you have the exact same product and Now you know the caption, the text, the call to action, the title, and the video that's working. So if you want to start learning how to sell products online, this is one of the best ways to sell any product or any service online, because you're using the best advertising platform to find the products and services that are profitable, and you're also knowing exactly how those products and services are being effectively and profitably sold. This is Ben over here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions on how to sell products online, let me know in the comments. I'm not here to have you operating at a 5 or a 6 figure per year level. $1 million is mediocrity. It's very average to earn $1 million online. You need to be doing the multiple 7s. You need to be doing the 8s and beyond. So if you want to do that, look, I didn't go to college. I don't have a degree. I just run a multiple 7 figure per year company. We project over $12 million this year in 2020, and there's plenty of space for everybody to get their slice of the pie and eat it too. I want you guys to win, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and definitely consider staying tuned and watching more of my videos if you want to have 8-figure entrepreneurship hit that level. Love you guys, appreciate you guys. Start using this method to sell products online, and I'll see you in the next video.